Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabsnet.com. I have put out probably one of my longest videos in the last, I don't know how many years. I may have some videos that are longer, like 6 hours, but this is a 5+ hour video. Um, and I want to stress why I created this video. If you are wanting to get into the million plus, 2 million plus jobs, this was recorded February 24th, 2025. And this is supposed to be a bad economy for a lot of coders out there. A lot of software engineers are having it tough because of the AI. I'm beyond convinced now that in the space of high frequency trading, quant trading, all around that field, there are just so many jobs out there. The problem is so many the competition is beyond fierce. We're 1% chance of getting a job. It's out there. But I want to stress at the end of the video, after watching 5 hours of this, what you'll find is I mentioned if you want to go into this field and acquire the kind of capital or revenue that people want to earn, generally what I'm finding is consistently portfolio management's where you want to go. So you have to be a highly accomplished trader. The pay in crypto, I've shown some examples in this long video. Crypto with a crypto trading firm does not pay a quarter of what you can get trading in the traditional futures and options market. So that's to blow out the crypto bros out there. I mean, you're making good money at 400,000 or 500,000. It's good money, but if you want to get in the 2 million plus, we had one job description that had 2.5 million, and that was as a portfolio manager in the futures and options. And that's the other thing is you want to be in is either in futures and options and know that technical know-how. And again, you have to have the track record to prove yourself that you got all the technical know-how that you already need to know on the the core level of low latency, all that. But there were some job listings that pay over a million where it's medium frequency. Maybe the technical you don't need to know as much. Can't say, but I'll let you judge from all of these job descriptions. I'll put a long list of all the jobs in here. But do remember, if you're watching this beyond 2 weeks from now, again, February 24th, 2025, a lot of those job descriptions will no longer be on LinkedIn or eFinancial Careers because the jobs will get filled or whatever happens to the job description. But there's a ton of them out there to make it worth 5 hours. But generally, it's a general consensus of what's out there, both for countries or basically 5 regions: Singapore, Hong Kong, Sydney, Australia, New York, and Chicago and London. Just so you know, as a conclusion, I will say I didn't like the job descriptions for either Hong Kong, Singapore, or Sydney. They don't pay as much as you would find in UK or US. They're very, very high level, but they want you to do everything for a quarter of what you could get elsewhere. And the pressure you could tell from the job description. I go through that right throughout this 5 hour video on what to look for, what's a good job description, where it's going to be high pressure or working with egomaniacs and narcissists to make your life miserable. There are some job descriptions which are pretty chilled out, and you go, yeah, I want to work in that kind of environment. The benefits are pretty well the same. And the standard schlock terminology, we're the best, blah, blah, blah. So there's not much uniqueness there. So if you're a recruiter or working in one of these funds or one of these operations, you got to watch this video to see the comparison and why you got to pay better than the other one to attract the top tier talent that you want. And not just that, but you have to have a low attrition rate within your firm to keep the talent there. And when you read a lot and you see a lot of these job descriptions, you'll know why. I give you my opinion on it. And I'm probably one of the only videos doing this, actually. And as I said, the number of reasons why I do this is for the reason of if you're really serious about wanting to get in this field, you have to watch this video end to end. You can't like go Yeah, I'll watch 5 minutes of it and then I know everything. This covers every aspect of HFT operations, what they're paying out on, if it's an execution, research, uh, data collection, whatever. It's covered. All the positions are covered, the type of compensation, where the best cities to work in, and the type of arrangements. And I go on about the portfolio management. Again, my personal favorite would be easily London with the tax schemes if you can find it. If you're really top notch, companies will hire you if they really like you. The visa problem is not a problem. They'll get you there if they really like you and the like. So the competition's fierce. You'll see that in this video. Meaning if it's more than 100 applications, that's at best 1% of getting a job. And I believe me, a lot of these jobs are probably four or 500, 1,000 people for the kind of pay that they want. So that greatly reduces you down to maybe 1/10 of a job, getting a job off. But if you really want to understand the perspective on what is out there globally, this is the video to watch with all the job descriptions and my unique spin on it, my unique opinion on it. You know what to look for. Okay, let's get into this. And also, just so you know, this video is broken up into segments to preserve the video as it's getting recorded. Okay, just to let you know, and hopefully you got some feedback out of it. Please let me know via the comments. If you want to know what I do, I'm at quantlabsnet.com. Go to the job video description. You'll get the where to get a free book on C++ and how C++ is used in a lot of these operations because C++ and Python's the top languages plus Linux as well. And if you want that ebook, that's where you go again, quantlabsnet.com. And more seriously, if you really want to get into it, I've got probably a 25, 30, actually a 4 week plus course every day, dropping something in it. Very intense, very theoretical, lays a great foundation that you need to get into futures and options. And more uniquely, that what makes this course very unique is the ability to see the coding that's associated with this for both in C++, one script in Python, and one bunch of a JavaScript front end for the charting as well. So you'll get an idea what you need in a typical system and strategies. And again, just for all you juniors out there, don't ever call these bots because that's not what it is. This is not retail. This is not meta trading, MetaTrader, EA stuff. Okay, this is real production level, institution level, billion plus, 50 billion, 1 trillion in volume. You'll see the job descriptions state that these are big operations we're dealing with. If you want one of these jobs, you got to watch this video just to see what they have, and the competition is fierce, and how you can uniquely uh, uh, carve out your own niche and what you need to do. Over and out. Thanks for watching.